How to add friends on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the BeReal app, please visit your app store first or your Play Store and check if your BeReal is up to date. So do that, just search for BeReal on your respective app store. Click on that so that you will land to the app page and focus on the button right here. If that says open, that means that your BeReal app is currently up to date. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your BeReal is currently outdated. So just click on the update icon so that you will have the latest features within the app. Once you have made sure that your BeReal app is up to date, so just go ahead and open it. And to add friends, you can click on this icon right here, which are person's icon at the top left corner. You can be here and you can add or search for your friends if you know their usernames, if they have shared it to you. And you can also search contacts so that you will be importing your contacts and BeReal will be adding that information to their system and search for your contacts that are on BeReal. And then you can also access your friend requests from here by clicking on the requests icon. And you can also click on friends to invite friends that are still not on BeReal. So I'm just going to go back to the page and let's go to the Discovery tab right here. So just click on Discovery. And from here, you can actually see photos from all over the world that are BeReal users. So for example, I want to add this user right here as a friend. So just click on their profile icon right here at the top left corner of their post and wait for their profile to load, and you should be able to see an add option. So that is how you can basically add them as a friend on BeReal. So those are some of the steps you can do to add friends on BeReal. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.